Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to transform any crochet pattern you've created into a beautiful hair clip. This method is simple and can be used with any type of hair clip. To get started, you'll need your crochet pattern and a hair clip. I've crocheted these 3 cute little hearts and will use them to create a hair clip. You can find the tutorial for crocheting these hearts on my channel. Next, you'll need a hot glue gun, scissors, and a piece of felt. The felt doesn't necessarily need to match the color of your crocheted piece, but it's better if it does. You'll also need a plain hair clip without any decorations. Now, place the hair clip on the felt. Use a pen to mark around the hair clip. Make a rectangle according to the marked parts and use scissors to cut along its edges. Now follow the video and mark the end of middle of the hair clip. As you can see, I marked these places and now cut the felt between the marks. After that, pass the middle part of the hair clip through the hole. Now, take the crocheted pieces and place them on the hair clip and felt as you like. Then, use the hot glue gun to glue your crocheted pieces to the hair clip. If you're worried that the felt might be visible, you can also trim it like I do in the video. Okay, that's it. Your hair clip is now ready to use. Here's another hair clip where I have trimmed the corners of the felt to make it less visible. As I said before, this method of creating a hair clip is not just for this crochet pattern. You can use any design you like, crochet it, and transform it into a beautiful hair clip using this method. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. In my channel, I will upload more crochet tutorials for you.